Welcome to Exchange at 401, conveniently located off Highway 401 in Raleigh, North Carolina. We offer 14 innovative new construction floor plans across 3 different collections of homes, including modern townhomes, 2-story single-family designs, and low-maintenance single-story ranch homes. There's a home for everyone with our diverse floor plan offering in over 700 total homes. Conveniently located near downtown Raleigh, Fuquay Varina, and Garner, Exchange at 401 is the perfect place to call home. Living in a large community has many benefits, like amazing on-site amenities, such as a swimming pool, clubhouse with fitness center, playground, pocket parks, a dog park, and walking trails. For those who love the outdoors and being active, you will enjoy 6 parks, all minutes away from the community, including the 40,000 square foot Garner Recreation Center, with basketball courts, fitness centers, fields, and tracks. Pulte innovative smart home designs bring enhanced connectivity to your home with smart thermostats, doorbell cameras, and wireless access points. Our homes are ENERGY STAR certified with low HERS scores to cut electricity cost each month. From whole home insulation to efficient windows and tankless hot water heaters, we build homes to help you save money and enjoy greater comfort. And if that isn't enough, your cable TV and high-speed internet come included in the HOA dues, a huge monthly savings to your pocket. Our residents love living right around the corner from Costco, Harris Teeter, Starbucks, and Chick-fil-A, conveniently located on 401, just a quick turn out of the neighborhood. Exchange at 401 is located just 15 minutes from downtown Raleigh, where you'll find all the modern amenities a big city has to offer, with great dining, performing art venues, museums, and plenty of entertainment. Convenient to several highways and interstates, including the new 540, makes commuting a breeze. Ready to be inspired? Come to our 8 model homes. At Exchange at 401, we have a home for everyone.